Hello everybody, so let's continue with our reported speech. Till now we have discussed what is reported speech, what is direct speech, what is indirect speech, how there are change in tenses in reported speech, change in pronouns, change in time and place, how the sentences of direct speech are changed into indirect if the declarative form is there. Declarative sentences remain the same. If the interrogative sentences are there, they are changed into declarative form. But now let's see what are orders and requests in reported speech. It means here we are going to talk about the imperative sentences. What are imperative sentences? I hope you remember imperative sentences क्या होते हैं. वो sentences जिनमें हम किसी को कोई order, कोई command, कोई instruction देते हैं, कोई advice देते हैं, या if we make a request. Such sort of sentences are called imperative sentences. So what happens in imperative sentences? The introductory verb is changed to request, order, command, advice, or some other word suiting the sense. इंट्रोडक्टरी वर्ब, रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब जो सेट है, जो सेट टू है, इफ इट इज सेट, सेट बेसिकली रिमेन सेट. सेट टू डेक्लरेटिव सेंटेंस में टोल्ड में चेंज होता है. इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस में इट इज चेंज्ड इनटू आस्क्ड, डिमांडेड, इंक्वायर्ड एटसेट्रा. बट इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस में इट इज चेंज्ड टू रिक्वेस्ट, ऑर्डर, कमांड, एडवाइस, सजेस्टेड, इंस्ट्रक्टेड और some other word suiting the sense. और इन्हीं से मिलता जुलता कोई word जो sentence की sense को suit करे. So such sort of introductory verb is there. The verb in the reported speech is put in the infinitive. Infinitive is, we can say, a type of verb जिसमें verb जो है, imperative sentences basically start with the verbs. तो उसमें जो वर्ब है उससे पहले हम टू लगाते हैं, बिकॉज इफ वी आर यूजिंग टू तो वो वर्ब कैन नॉट बी चेंज्ड, इट रिमेन्स द सेम. लेट्स सी हाउ. फर्स्ट, ऑर्डर एंड कमांड. फर्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द सेंटेंसेस ऑफ ऑर्डर एंड कमांड. द टीचर सेड टू रोजी, sit down. So here we are just imagining the teacher is passing order, the teacher is commanding, the teacher is instructing. As per the nature of the sentence, it can be used. The teacher ordered Rosie to sit down. So here inverted commas are replaced with infinitive, to sit down. Same way if it is negative sentences where there is the use of not. Bali said to Ria, don't move here and there. Bali ordered Ria not to move. तो not के बाद we are using infinitive because infinitive to is followed by verb. So not to move here and there. So this is how the changes are there if the sentence is of order or command. Request. Request basically the sentences with please, kindly, such sort of word, or according to the position of the person, we can imagine the sentence is, in the sentence the person is making a request. I said to her, please bring me a glass of water. I requested her. अब request जब हमने use कर लिया, then there is no need of using please or kindly. So please or kindly is replaced with requested. I requested her to bring me a glass of water. Or it can be the simple sentence as well. He said to the magistrate. अब he said to the magistrate, definitely magistrate is on authority. तो हमने इसको, we have understood that this is the request. Pardon me. He begged the magistrate to pardon him. This is how the sentences are changed if there is a request. Next comes advice or suggestion. The teacher said, work hard. The teacher advised the students to work hard, right? So here the teacher advised. अब यहाँ पे the students, देखो यहाँ पे कोई भी object mentioned नहीं है, तो यहाँ पे according to the speaker we can imagine the object. हम अपनी तरफ से object को imagine कर सकते हैं. The teacher advised the students to work hard. अब teacher तो, it's understood that the teacher advises the students only. So the teacher advised the students to work hard. The captain said, Stand in the line. The captain instructed the team. अब कैप्टन है तो टीम को ही अपनी को इंस्ट्रक्ट करेगा वो. The captain instructed the team to stand in the line. तो यहाँ पर अगर हमें listener is not mentioned, then as per our understanding, as per the nature of the sentence, we can mention the listener in indirect speech. This is how we make changes in imperative sentence when there is an order, an advice, or a request. So this is all with our reported speech. Please keep on practicing. Thank you very much.